Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY hair growth oil that will have your hair growing longer and stronger. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this hair growth oil is going to be an aloe vera plant, which I got this from Publix. You're also going to need some fenugreek seeds. I got this from a local Indian store. Also, you're going to need 2 capsules of MSM, and I got that from the vitamin shop. Also, I have some extra dark black Jamaican castor oil, which I got from Marshall's, I believe. And then I also got some coconut oil, which I got from Walmart as well. Then I also got some lavender oil and peppermint oil, which I also got from, I believe, Marshall's. And then I also got some not aloe vera, but I got some olive oil from Walmart. So first I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the aloe vera, the bottom part of the aloe vera leaf. We're not going to use that part. And then I'm just going to cut off a piece of the aloe vera plant. I'm not going to use the whole plant. And then I'm just going to cut off the thorns on the side of the aloe vera plant, and then I'm going to cut this piece into smaller chunks. So with the rest of the aloe vera leaf, you want to just go ahead and just use some aluminum foil to cover the bottom half of the aloe vera plant, and then you could just place it into the refrigerator. Also, the list of all these ingredients and where you can purchase these ingredients will be linked in the description box below. And when cutting the aloe vera plant, please be careful if you're using a really sharp knife, because this aloe vera plant is very slippery, so I'll just be careful when cutting this up. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, which also promotes healthy hair growth and shiny hair. Also, aloe vera contains vitamin B12, which can keep your hair from falling out. So I'm just going to grab a mason jar, and this is where I'm going to put all my ingredients into. So the first ingredient I'm going to add to the mason jar is going to be the fenugreek seeds. And fenugreek seeds are a age-old remedy for when your hair is losing volume. While it stimulates blood flow to the scalp, it also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. Not only that, but it also acts as a great alternative to store-bought conditioner. So I have about a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds, and I have about a handful of aloe vera plant. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of olive oil to the mason jar. And olive oil is a very good source of antioxidants. It's best to promote scalp health. So olive oil improves blood flow to the hair follicles, and the follicles are in turn stimulated to grow thicker strands of hair, therefore doubling hair growth. So after adding the olive oil, I'm going to add a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to be using the extra dark version. And Jamaican black castor oil works for all hair types. It will moisturize, thicken, strengthen, and rapidly increase your hair growth. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, supplying valuable nutrients to the hair follicles. Also, Jamaican black castor oil will also prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and coconut oil helps to fight bacterial infections that may be found on the scalp, as well as calm scalp irritation, and it also helps to treat split ends. Then I'm going to add 2 capsules of MSM. And MSM is a sulfur-rich compound which forms bonds essential to strengthening hair and influencing hair growth. If you would like to know more information about MSM, I'll link another video that I have on MSM down in the description box below if you're interested. And then I'm going to add about 10 to 20 drops of lavender as well as peppermint oil. So after I've added all my ingredients into the mason jar, I'm just going to apply the lid back on, and I'm just going to give the mason jar a little shake just so I can make sure that all the ingredients are blended together. And then at this point you have two options that you can do for when it comes to the infusion process of the oil. You can do the you can do the cold press version, which is you'll just place the mason jar into a cool dry area and let it sit for about a week. Or you can speed up the process by placing the mason jar into a bowl of warm water, which I'm going to show you guys in the next clip. And then what you want to do is you'll just let the mason jar sit in the warm water until the warm water gets cool. And then after that, I'll just advise you to leave it, to let the oil sit at least overnight, and then you can use it the next day. So it is now the next day. After the water cooled down, I took the mason jar out of the bowl and I just let it sit on the counter overnight. And now I'm just going to put the oil into an applicator bottle. When it comes to the leftover aloe vera and fenugreek seeds, you can go ahead and do the same thing again. You could go ahead and add the oils, and you can also switch up the oils. You don't have to use the same exact oils that I used, but you can go ahead and refill the jar up with oils and the MSM. And you can use this aloe vera as well as the fenugreek seeds for about up to 2 weeks before you have to throw it out and reuse fresh seeds as well as fresh aloe vera. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use the hair oil. Currently I am wearing a wig right now. I plaited my hair about, I think it was a couple weeks ago, and now my hair is just looking a hot mess. So I just put this wig on because I don't feel like redoing my hair. And I'm just going to show you guys how to use the hair oil. So what you want to do is just focus the hair oil on your scalp as well as your edges and your nape area, and then you just want to put a little bit of the oil on the palm of your hands and just put it on your ends as well. Also, you can use this oil as a hot oil treatment, and you can also put a few drops of this oil into your favorite hair butter or into your favorite deep conditioner. And so this hair oil is very versatile. So that is the end of the video. I want to say thank you guys so much for the support of my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.